They're learning how to walk in the muck. Learning how to walk in the muck. Getting the boats out is pretty difficult. Nathan keeps losing his shoes. Alright, we kayak in the wind. All kind of fish jumping out here. We're gonna be feasting over here by a lot of action over by this little oyster bed. Oh, there we go. Now there's something big right in here. Something big right over here chasing all this mullet. Yeah, rowing forward and you're just staying in the same place, right? It's pretty cool back in here. Cast net would be easy, wouldn't it? Yeah. Here's a little shell bed. Oyster Hill. Oyster even looks like coral. It's trying to grow here. What do you say, Mose? This is July, I think, 10th. We're at the Intercoastal Waterway, St. Augustine, Florida, by a Dead Body Bridge. And we're going kayaking. Okay, I don't see any. Okay. Focus on your strokes. if you have the paddle in, right, so when you're full paddle in, you get more momentum. See how I've kind of also been pointed straight up and down instead of like this? So it's coming this direction. So point towards that thing there. Just nice and easy. Just stay consistent. Crescent Beach Bridge. I do feel the current coming this way. It'll take us in there too. Go Mosey, go! Getting pretty good at that. Let me see if we can see this. There is, right in front of my boat under the water, there is a long either snake or fish that a crab has. It's dead, and the crab had towed it back to a hole, and the crab's trying to eat on it. Probably hard with the reflection to see. But you get to go ahead and see some amazing little things out here from the front of your kayak. There's some fishermen, including Mosey. Look at Mosey go. Say hi, Mosey.
Hello.
You having fun?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. We're out here, actually, in an oyster bed on the very edge of the Intercoastal. Man, I love these kayaks. Some other kayakers just exploring. Pretty easy going. You do your own pace. And this is where all the fish got trapped. For a bunch of them. Bait fish. They're here swimming around by Madison. You need some bait. Do a little cast net right in here. I see a couple schools of fish. That's Dead Body Bridge. We actually came in on that side, and that's where we put in. Much easier to get in and out of the water. I liked that strategy, and then we just motored across here. Saw some dolphin, but not while we were out in the kayaks, just on the way out. So I'm thinking we're gonna go out here and explore coastline a little bit. Give Madison some practice on some waves. Are all live oysters. So those, the pieces, columns that are sticking straight up are live ones. And they open up. Here's an example of them. And they open up when the water comes in, and they do their filtering stuff. Yeah, see the sailboat coming through? Drawbridge is going up. See all the cars stopping? And there is a toll gate that comes down. They make sure it's all safe. And then up goes the bridge. Once the bridge is up, he'll give the signal to the boat, and the boat will come on through. And the bridge comes down, and everybody's go happy. Must have been some garbage or something on it sliding down the ramp. If you look on the bridge, there's these big, huge concrete ballasts, and that's what's making it easy for that thing to tip it all the way up with the hydraulics. And you got a couple more boats coming through, taking advantage of the time. Okay, that was the sailboat saying thank you for pulling up the bridge for us. Pretty cool. Drawbridge comes down and everybody goes on their merry way. When I came up on this edge, so go over to that point right there. Yeah, you see the minnows? They're right there, look at them all. Yeah, I came up, there was a good sized redfish that was just sitting right on that point. Yeah, you can see the bottom, right? That's why they come in here. There's some big ones in here probably. Right up in here. They're chasing everything. Look, they're jumping again. This is where you use the cast net to get some bait. It's cool out here. Okay, come on, Mr. Osprey. Show us your stuff. Here he goes. He's thinking about it. Nope. There we go. He just. Hello, Mr. Pelican. How are you boys doing? Bye-bye. You going too? See ya. Moving in the water, it's a fish, a turtle. That was a big brown ray about that big around. Was swimming out. That was cool. They move too quick to get photos a lot of times. Unless you got a GoPro rolling. Hey, Mosey. I take a little break.